Okay, limit of a root function. Again, we're finding the slope of the tangent to f at x when it's root x at the point 9. Okay, so quickly, what I'm going to solve is my f at a and f at a plus h. Okay, we know our a in this case is the number 9, so our function at 9 is equal to root 9, which is 3, and our function at 9 plus h is equal to the root of 9 plus h. Okay, so we have those two there. We have f at a and f at a plus h. So we can now find our limit. Our limit of h as it approaches 0. Our first point is the 9 plus h, so we get root 9 plus h. Subtract f at a. F at a is 3 in this case. All divided by h. Okay. Well, I need to simplify, or I need to rationalize our numerator. I have a root. I'm unable to factor out the h at the bottom as it stands right now. So I'm going to rationalize this expression. In order to rationalize this expression we use the conjugate, not the surrogate, okay? And we multiply by it. So we're going to multiply by 9 plus h, and instead of subtracting, we're going to add 3. But when we do that to the top and the bottom of this fraction. Root 9 plus h plus 3. Okay? Again, we have the limit of h as it approaches 0. What's going to happen here is, remember, we're going to be left with just our a term minus our b term on top. So what that means is the root of this is going to be 9 plus h, subtract 3. And that's why we use the conjugate, to get this specific numbers on top, so it's now rationalized. On the bottom, we still are going to have our h multiplied by this. So h multiplied by root 9 plus h plus 3. Simplify the top, we're going to left with, oh, I apologize. It's squared. We do need to square both of these. Okay, so 3 squared should give us 9, not 3. When we multiply across. When we do that, we have our positive and our negative 9, which will cancel each other out. So again, we're left with the limit of h divided by h times the root at the bottom. We've got to our goal. We can now eliminate. That should have been over there. We can now eliminate our h's.
Hello?
We've eliminated both of our h's, and we're now left with the limit of h as it approaches 0. Our simplified form is 1 over root 9 plus h plus 3. We're down to one variable in a simplified version. This is where we are going to plug in our h at 0. Okay? So we then get 1 over, what's 9 plus 0? Close. We have our root 9. Root 9 is 3, so we have 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So our slope at 9 on our root function is 1 over 6 at that point.